Hello everyone, my name is B. Divya from CC department. Today we are going to see about compare LIDAR and radar. So, what is LIDAR? LIDAR, which stands for light detection and ranging, is a remote sensing method that uses light in the form of a pulse laser to measure the ranges to the earth. It is a method for determining ranges by targeting an object or a surface with a laser and measuring the time for the reflected light to return to the receiver. It is sometimes called 3D laser scanning and a special combination of 3D scanning and laser scanning. Airplanes and helicopters are the most commonly used platforms for acquiring LIDAR data over the abroad areas. Also, a LIDAR instrument principally consists of a laser, a scanner, and a specialized GPS receiver. Two types of LIDAR are topographic and bathymetric. Topographic LIDAR typically uses a near-infrared laser to help to map the land. Bathymetric LIDAR uses water-penetrating green light to also measure seafloor and riverbed elevations. These are some examples of LIDAR. Now, what is radar? Radar is an acronym of radio detection and ranging. Radar is a radio location system that uses radio waves to determine the distance, angle, and the radial velocity of objects relative to the site. Radar was developed secretly for military use by several countries in the period before and during World War II. It operates by transmitting electromagnetic energy toward objects commonly referred to as targets, and observing the echoes returned from them. The targets may be aircraft, ship, spacecraft, automotive vehicles, and astronomical bodies, or even birds, insects, and rain. It typically operates in the microwave region of electromagnetic spectrum, measured in hertz at frequency extending from about 400 MHz to 40 GHz. Radar wave travels through the atmosphere at roughly 3 million km per second. Modern high-tech radar systems use digital signal processing and machine learning and are capable of extracting useful information from very high noise levels. These are some examples for radar. Now we are going to see the comparison of LIDAR and radar. LIDAR, it works by emitting a laser beam and measuring the time it takes for the beam to bounce back after it hits an object. Radar, it works by emitting radio waves and measuring the time it takes for them to bounce back after hitting an object. LIDAR uses light waves or lasers. Radar uses radio waves. LIDAR systems use light from pulsed laser beams with a wavelength in the near infrared range. Radar system uses microwaves and operate at much longer wavelengths. In LIDAR system, land-based and airborne LIDAR systems use a digital camera or other imaging sensors to capture the reflected light from laser beam. In radar system, the reflected microwaves are converted into an image on a screen or computer monitor. LIDAR systems typically have a shorter range than the radar systems but can provide much more precise measurements at closer range. Radar systems, on the other hand, have a longer range and are better at detecting objects that are further away. LIDAR is primarily used for mapping and surveying. Radar is used for object detection and tracking. These are some difference between LIDAR and radar. I hope you guys understand this video and the concept provided in it. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.